new bed is coming. That's our new bed. A smart bed. Abot na jud. Wow. Mana mong smart bed bago, guys.
As long as I got this side, I'm good. But if you need this side, yeah, I need to somebody got it. Somebody get the short end of the stick. Got front. How long have you lived here?
16, 17 years or something like that.
Yeah. Long time. You may have seen me as a little kid. I went to Cessna up the street.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Did you walk to school?
No, I didn't live over here, but I definitely had a lot of friends over here. We were running around a lot. Can be used as handles, so it's easiest for two people to move within the room. So you got someone on that side and this side.
Okay, just drag it around or something?
Yes, sir, yeah. And then you also have this hose kit in your foot warmer that'll be plugged in on each side.
Okay.
So just like to show you where those connect at.
All right.
Before we put it on. You did?
Yeah, that'll be good. It's not dragging on the floor.
Yeah,
I think that'll be just fine. Yeah, this is that's perfect. I had a bed skirt that I bought for like Burlington for like $6 or something, but it was a king size. Oh, yeah, I had it work.
Yeah.
And then we got the left bed off the ground.
It's gonna say connecting the Wi-Fi to the options. I just want to plug that in, and then we'll get that started.
Big one? It's a big. Big.
Queen size is our bed. It's a queen.
Queen, yes sir. Did you guys go to the store to purchase, or did you order online?
Store. And then I ordered different base online.
Gotcha.
Well, I called somebody or something. I don't remember.
Okay. Well, we only ask if you ever went to the store. We do all our store beds a certain height, and we basically just ask if you had a problem with those, or would you prefer it smaller, taller. They're adjustable. We do all our beds at a standard height. That's right in the middle. So I mean, it's really just if you guys prefer it low, tall.
Well, what's gonna
As of right
fit
now-
with the bed skirt, with the skirt?
Closest, like you want it like closest to the floor
But,
for the bed skirt?
well, I want the bed skirt not to hang on the ground and.
Oh, not
you know
to hang
what
on
I
the
mean?
ground, so I would do standard. Yeah,
Okay.
the standard it'll come up to about right here, mid side.
Is this
So us short people have to use a ladder to get in, huh?
Yeah, sure, you won't.
You should have.
So we're gonna go ahead and set it for standard, and then
This is not a sleep number bed skirt, is it?
Yeah.
It is? Yeah, I've actually never seen one. I just always hear
Oh,
about it.
okay.
So this is my first one to see it.
So do you guys do any repair work too? If something.
As far as like, yeah, troubleshooting, if something was to go wrong, yeah. We know how these work inside out now. Two seconds. I didn't tighten this one up enough. Not liking the Wi-Fi, huh?
Yeah.
I know it's case sensitive. I'm not sure if you tap it in there.
Sure, but I'm usually hooked up to, this one here.
Okay, problem, do you guys maybe have, do you guys have 5G? It doesn't read, it's not, our beds are not compatible with 5G, unfortunately, so it only reads
But we have one for, this should still work, right?
Yeah.
well, the air hoses come out this way, and the foot warming cable as well. So then disconnect those air hoses. There will be, sorry, I gotta dig through this fabric. There will be this air hose nozzle right here. You see that?
Okay.
So once we leave you a set of these caps, there's one on each side for the both chambers. When you release that cap, the air flows out, and that's where you connect it to the chamber nozzle, pretty much. So it's pretty simple. Just make sure you never lose those caps, because if there is any troubleshooting aspects we need to go over, we will ask for those first.
Hear that?
Lock in place,
Yeah. Yep, those are some serious magnets.
Make sure you don't go anywhere.
And if you are disconnecting the magnets or disconnecting the mattress again from the base, just make sure you get your hands around those magnets and try to pop straight up, because that's the hard or the best way to get it. Otherwise, they're pretty locked on.
So you just have 2 at the hip here and then 2 at the foot.
Yep.
If they didn't tell you, I told you as far as moving your bed within the room, perfectly fine. Perfect. Just saying, we'd like to give a heads up. If you move it outside of the room without us, that will void your warranty. So we do, if you want to.
Oh, outside the room?
Yeah, right.
Oh,
If you,
okay.
so you were to add carpet, anything like that, just give us a call so we can break it down for you, and then we'll come back and reset it at a better date.
Okay.
Just give you a heads up out there. A lot of
All right,
people
bud.
don't know.
So just call the store?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Have a customer service thing.
I might have it on that book or something. It's probably in that book over there, maybe.
Yes, sir. And then we'll leave you another booklet as well.
Okay, yeah. Go over the base.
Yes, sir. So,
I got instructions.
Yeah, it's,
Oh, you got it. Okay.
I don't think he needs. He's the pro here.
Fit it under
Yeah.
the actual adjustable.
You know, like there's a seam. This seam right here is supposed to go on the top of the
Right.
edge of the frame.
Barely touch that part under.
I didn't know you guys were going to put that on too.
Yes, sir. Yeah, they like us to do this and the mattress protector for you, which it stops there. No sheets. Just like to point that out. No, that mattress warranty, if they didn't tell you, it also adds an extra five years to your warranty as well. So.
The protector?
Yes, sir. Yeah, it's pretty good to have for sure.
You want to put that corner
Yeah.
But it says start at the head and work it this way.
Yours looking over there.
Good.
Yeah. Got one lined up.
So if you want to come to this side, this is going to be what it looks like for the most part.
They said there's a little flap thing
Yep, right here.
that you don't use.
Right here. So this is for your that's for your hip button. That's why this is folded like this, so that'll be accessible.
Gotcha.
You need it right here.
This one, huh?
Yep.
What the two this
So
one? Do you have a... How about the feet and shoe? You have to see. This feel look like you feel relaxed in your body. Relax like that, from the tired, your feet is up, you sit like that. Oh my God.
Good. You want the feet up or down?
Then
You do a little like that. A little like down like that.
you know, up and my feet is good for me. I mean, a little high hand, a little high, just like a medium.
That's like almost medium.
Yeah, like that.
That's about medium.
What you think? Very nice for me. I like it, mine. Yeah. How about you?